In this video, I will show you how to increase your Facebook page followers with Business Suite app. Do you want to increase your Facebook page followers? If so, then you need to use the Business Suite app. This app is a powerful tool that can help you manage your Facebook page, including growing your follower base. In this video, I will show you how to use the Business Suite app to increase your Facebook page followers. Let's start. If you don't download the Business Suite app yet, then go to the Play Store and download the Facebook Business Suite app. Let me show you. Go to the Play Store. From here in the search bar, search Business Suite. Then you will find the Business Suite app. Tap on the app and tap on Install. I have already installed. Let's open. This is my Facebook page. From here, I can manage my whole Facebook page and content. If I have multiple pages, I can also maintain this. From this, you can manage and explore new things. Tap on Explore and you will find Post Reactions. You can send invites to people who react in your Facebook post to follow your page. Here, you can send invites all of these people who react with your content, who like or react your content. Select all and then send invite. They will get a notification to like your page. If they are interested, they will definitely like your page. You can do one more thing here. You can invite your Facebook friends to like your page from here. Tap on invite friends and you will find your Facebook friend list here. You can select up to 100 friends and invite to like your page. I have selected 100 and already sent the invite. You can do this again and again, and you can also choose whom you want to add on your page. By this way, you can grow your Facebook page. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope that was very helpful for you. Please give a like and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.